Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's create some beautiful butterfly wall hangings. So grab your craft supplies and let's get started. First, let's start by taking a cardboard ring. I cut the cardboard into 3 rings, 2 smaller rings of the same size and 1 bigger ring. I removed the thin upper layer from the cardboard. It's not necessary, but if you skip this step, you'll have a thicker cardboard ring. However, mine is very thin now and also bends a bit, but it's not a big issue. Moving on, if you have a floral green tape, cover the cardboard ring with it. If not, you can use masking tape instead. Make sure to cover the cardboard completely with the tape. Now all 3 rings are covered, set them aside and let's move on to focusing on the butterfly cuttings. Take a piece of cardboard, make sure it's not too thick. A thin one would be easier to cut. Now we need to draw simple butterfly outlines just like you see in the video. Draw the butterflies in the same way and then cut them out. In the video, I have only shown 3 butterfly drawings, but we need many more cutouts. I have made approximately 45 butterfly cutouts. Next, let's move on to the coloring part. I used 2 color combination, one with light peach and light blue, and the other one with bamboo green and purple. For each butterfly, I also alternated the color to add details. Now the wings colors are ready. For the body part, let's give them a black color. And for an extra touch, I am painting silver color on the wings and golden color on the body. For 2 of the butterflies, I am giving them a golden spray paint. Now coming back to the cardboard rings, earlier we covered them with green tape, right? Now I am coloring them with silver paint. Cover all 3 rings completely with the silver color. Next, using a sponge, I am lightly pressing a bluish green color onto the rings. It gives a unique texture to the rings. The next step is to connect all 3 rings using a glue gun. Finally, it's time to attach the butterflies to the rings. While sticking the butterflies, don't cover the entire ring. Attach the butterflies to one side of the ring, leaving some empty space. Near the empty space, I attached a golden butterfly. You can create this with minimal materials. It's very easy to make and there is no need for clay or wall putty. Just waste cardboard and some paint, that's it. You can decorate your bedroom or any space with these unique wall hangings. Now let's take a final look. Just look at this wall decor. It looks expensive, right? Nobody will know it's made out of waste material. If you enjoyed watching my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep crafting. Bye bye.